how to make changes and add new products to your website. So after you log in, you're in your dashboard. You're going to be simply go to the all post. The all post is where all the products are going to be. From here, you're going to be able to obviously there's going to be a list of all the products you have entered. Um, if you want to edit something, you'll simply click the title, or if you hover around it, you could simply click edit. From once you're inside the post, from here you're able to make the changes necessary. The key components to this is two things, which is a title and the category where that product is going to be. You could select more than one if necessary. So, for instance, it could be a Samsung, it could be a Philips, etc. As you can see, if you scroll down a little bit, here you'll be able to enter any tags for SEO purposes. Um, Even though they're not as effective as it was a couple of years ago, you still have that option to enter keywords here. Um, so let's say you want to make some changes to the main section. Again, if you hover your mouse over the boxes, you're going to be able to make those changes. So for example, if I want to edit this, I will click the pencil, and from here I will be able to change the description that's on the home page. I'm sorry, on the product section. So for example, I can make changes here if I want. The images, this is your main one. So if you click on the pencil, you will simply delete the image and add a different image. So for instance, I could go like this and then add the new image. Either A, you could upload it from your computer, clicking this button, or if you already have it in the media, you could simply click the image you want, scroll to your right, and select the blue button that says Set Image. Once you click that, the website will automatically um, add the image and resize it automatically for you. So once you're done, just hit Save Changes. These options are if you want to add more images. So you have the option to add 3 more. Again, they work the same. You click on this. Um, you could change the image that you want. If you want to add another image, simply click on this and then X and then the plus. If you come down here on the descriptions, if you want to change a title of this, you could simply click this pencil and you could change the title here. Please do not mess with this any of the section ID. Leave that alone. To go to change the text here, simply click the green pencil to make those changes. From here, you'll be able to add anything you want. Very important, if you are copying from an Excel sheet, do not paste the text on the visual. Always paste it on the text. So click on this text box right here, this tab, click text, and then paste the text you want to upload. That applies to all the tabs. Um, if you want to make changes to the specific, like for example on this tab, simply click on the tabs. See how I'm doing it? Click on the tabs. So once you click on here, then you could hit the pencil to make those necessary changes. Here's the title. If you want to change remember the green is for the text, the orange is for the title of the tab. So you're most likely going to be editing the text. So just make sure it's the text block, pencil to make those changes. From here, you can make all the changes you want to make it look nicer, add bullet points, etc. On this particular section, the clinic images, again, here, if you hover your mouse below it, you're going to see the green pencil. Click on that and simply, just like before, to add an image, just click Add Media and then add all the clinical images you have, and then they'll just be going like this. And then from here, You could hit enter and add another image if you want. Once you're done, hit save. As you can see, it saved the image here. If you want, again, to add or remove an image, you will click on here. And then from here, I'm going to either delete the image or I could add a new one and then hit save changes. Once you're done making those changes, always hit update for those changes to appear. Now, the only way to duplicate this to add another product is simply by copying the entire code. There's two ways of doing it. So for one, if you click on the classic mode, you're going to be given the code that's for that particular design. So simply copy all the text that's in the box, and now we're going to go add new. So basically what we're going to do, we're going to add a new product. So from here, once you're here, make sure when you paste your code, you go to the text, paste your code, and then go back to editor. And then you're gonna see that all the code went back. It's gonna copy the information that was on the previous product. So just replace that text. So once you make those changes, you don't have to mess with the get quote, but like for example on this, again you will click on this to make the changes. To change the images, remember that. If you don't want the image, you could simply delete and then add a blank page. Like for example, I added this image as just blank. So just click on blank, set as image, and then save. And as you can see, that image is gone. So, and then remember, we want to put our title. So in this instance, you could put, we're going to go with, let me see here. I'll put, okay, just for that, for example. Then I will just look for the category that product is going to go in, and then, for example, I'm just going to click on that, and then here I could add anything I want, like tags if you want. I'll just now I will try to avoid putting general tags. I would normally put just tags related to the product, so the brand of it, something like this. Because if you put too generic, it's gonna look tacky on the homepage, and it's just unnecessary. So just put tags, because those tags are gonna also help if someone's searching for something on your website. It will bring up those keywords related to the product. So if someone types in searching for this particular word, and this product has this word, then it'll bring up this as the search results. So if you put ultrasound in all of them, then all the products are going to come up when someone types in ultrasound. So it's more sufficient if you use the proper tags based on the product. And then again, once you're done, just hit a publish. If you're not done with this product, you could simply hit save draft, and you'll save it for next time you come in. So again, it's very important that all the products are listed here, and like, as you can see, this one's that's the one I was doing. So if I want to make changes to it, I'll simply click on it and make the changes I need. So remember, the highlights of this video is to show you how to make more products and how to edit. The edit's simple. Just click on the green pencil to make those changes. Remember, click classic mode, copy your entire code, copy, and then to paste to do a new one, you will add new, and you will paste it on the text, paste, go back to back editor, and see how it converts the code to this, and then type in your text. And again, I want to make this clear. So for example, if you go here and you're gonna copy some of the text that's on a spreadsheet, I'm gonna show you what happens. So for example, let's say I want to, well, first of all, I'm gonna delete this because this is not the, okay, so let's say I'm going here and I want to copy this particular text. If I could put on there, simply click on the box that you want to copy, and I normally just right click and hit copy. Now, if I go back to this section and I just paste it, see what happens is that it created a box like the spreadsheet was. You don't want that. So we're gonna delete that. So we're gonna go back and see it create all these code, unnecessary code. So remember, when you copy from an Excel sheet to paste it on any little box, you want to go to the text section, this text tab, and then paste your code there. And see how it cleaned the code up? So now when you go to Visual, you don't see none of the code or the little box around it. So when you copy from the Excel, paste it onto the text tab and then save changes. Again, if I want to make this changes right here, I'll click on this tab, then I'll click on this pencil to make those changes. Now to make minor changes, you could just go from the visual, but anytime you're going to paste something, it's from your text. So now I'm going to hit save, and then let's say I want to mess with applications. From here, I'll click on the tab I want to make changes to, hover down until I see the green pencil, edit. From here you can make the changes necessary and save. Now I'm going to select the category I want, and I'm going to hit publish when I'm ready to publish this product. If you want to add another category that is not listed here, you could simply go to Post, Category, and then from here you can make any changes you want to that category, like the name, just to rename the category, or to add a new one, simply type in the category here. So we're just going to put it like this. And then I'm going to just scroll all the way down and hit add new category. That's it. I could go back up, and as you can see, here's the category I selected. So now if I go to add a new product, and I go here, here's the category I created. So again, title, paste your code on the text tab, and then go back to editor, select the category, and just publish. There's nothing to it.